So you've just had paint protection film installed to a new car? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to maintain and preserve the paint protection film. Check it out. Hey guys, Joe here from Clean Getaway Car Detailing. So in this video, I want to explain exactly how to maintain and preserve the paint protection film on your car. Hopefully we've installed your paint protection film, but if not, that is totally cool. I want to let you know exactly how we recommend maintaining it and preserving it. So when you have paint protection film, ultimately it's a sacrificial layer. It's there to help stop stone chips, scratches, scrapes, all those nasty things, and it's so good to really help preserve the paintwork underneath because it is the ultimate sacrificial layer. So paint protection film, we try to wrap every edge of the panel when it comes to installing the film. Some edges you can't because it's just not possible. So when it comes to maintaining the car, you do have to be extra cautious about those edges, which I'm about to touch on very, very soon. The paint protection film is a bit like a ceramic coating. It's going to be really hydrophobic, it's going to bead water, it's going to make it a lot easier to keep clean, but you still need to wash it. It's not one of those cases where once you get it done, you never have to maintain your car. That is not right. Everything needs maintenance. So we still recommend washing your car at least every fortnight or hopefully once a week. And use a car wash that is pH neutral. This means it's safe, it's got an even balance, it's not super salty or super acidic or alkaline base. It's just pretty much smack bang in the middle and safe for nearly all cars and all paint surfaces. So make sure that when you do wash your car, you're washing it top to bottom. Don't start at the bottom and work your way up. Always wash the roof first and work your way down the vehicle. Also, when you are washing it, wash the car in long strides. Don't wash it in circles. Use the body of the car, like the body lines, as your aid so that you know you don't miss anything. So make sure you have a nice clean wash mitt, a full bucket of soap, and as you wash each panel, rinse it down as you go so that soapy water is not drying on your car. Here at Clean Getaway, our wash bay is inside. We got the best facility here. We're not outside on a driveway or in a hot shed trying to wash a car. So it's quite cool in here, whereas for the everyday Joe, they're washing their car in their driveway. So make sure you are rinsing that soap off your car. Reason being, as you can always get water spotting. No one likes water spotting, it's annoying, but that's what happens when you have a very hydrophobic surface that does not get cleaned regularly enough. So make sure you wash the car properly, get those minerals and nasty pollutants off the surface so that your car is always looking really, really nice. People ask us whether they should use a pressure washer or a garden hose. You can use both. We always use the pressure washer here, but at the same time, we always keep the gun about a foot away from the paintwork minimum. So I personally recommend about 1 meter. Any closer is not required. If there's something stubborn on the car, just make sure you wash it off with the wash mitt and don't try to use a pressure washer. Reason being is because there's a lot of air and pressure blasting out of the gun, it could actually get under the film and put air under the film. Now, when it comes to maintenance of the paint protection film, maybe you've seen the film lifting or maybe it's a bit dirty on the edge. That's okay, just make sure you bring it back to us so we can help rectify that, check over the vehicle. If you have had your film installed somewhere else, go see that installer or go find your local professional paint protection film installer. We always recommend for our customers that they bring their car back in for us to check over after about 1 to 2 weeks because the film's drying out, it's setting on the car and little things may happen. The film might lift a little, there might be a little mark in the film, something that we can fix up. So we really ask our clients, please bring your car in so we can make sure the film's gonna last for years and years. Here at Clean Getaway, we actually use the Suntech paint protection film, their reaction film, as well as their ultra gloss film. These films have at least a 10-year warranty, and this warranty through Suntech covers if the film turns yellow, which would be really noticeable on a white car, and if it gets cracks in it and goes brittle, and just if it really badly deteriorates, that's what the Suntech warranty will cover. It doesn't cover stone chips and scrapes, and if you've driven into a wall, the warranty won't cover that, but it covers the quality of the film, the integrity of the film. So it does come down to you maintaining it yourself, as everything does need maintenance. So paint protection film is amazing. It's gonna preserve your car so much from getting stone chips like crazy. We've noticed a massive difference on our own Tesla. It's gonna be very hydrophobic, and 5 or 10 years down the track, even longer, you could pull that film off and your paint would look amazing underneath. That is the whole point of getting paint protection film, to preserve that factory finish, which is why we highly recommend it getting done, because there's hardly any peel in the film. It does not look like your car's been resprayed, and in fact, it's way better to get film on your car than to get your car repainted a few years later, because we know a respray will never be as good as a factory painted car. It'll probably be thicker in paint, but the quality won't be there, and we've seen that over many, many years. So if you have any questions about paint protection film and how to look after it, please give us a call, flick us an email, and we'll happily give you as much help as possible, and we hope to see you soon. Thanks.